restoration and conservation bio class, so what we're really focusing on in this project is like hands-on restoration.
And so this is a place where they're actually working with a local landowner who happens to be one of our Luther professors, and thinking about how do we restore a landscape that's been formerly grazed, formerly used for agriculture, and how do we improve the biodiversity of the landscape. But a big part of the course is looking at how we actually apply that. So students actually learning how to take the things they're learning from the classroom, from the readings, from the case studies, and then actually apply it to their own project.
One thing I've always wanted to do is be hands-on in my work, so this is a really good thing to be able to do to get some real-world experience.